Hi, I'm Dr. Cari Bourette, a ministerial student and a recent addition to Unity Community of Central Oregon. I'm really looking forward to this Sunday. In Unity, you often hear people talk about oneness, and you'll see people come up and greet with Namaste. The divine in me recognizes the divine in you. And yet when we look around at our world, it appears fragmented and often chaotic. So what's up with that? We're going to explore some ways that we might participate in rebalancing the metaphysical equation. And I'd also like us to think about the indigenous idea of all our relations and consider a practice of adding that to our thoughts, our actions, and maybe even our prayers. I look forward to seeing you. Namaste.